Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to get a free virtual credit card or a Visa card for a trial subscription, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser and go to privacy.com. Now click on sign up for free to open an account. I already have an account, so I'm not signing up. Once you have an account, just log in. Once you're in, click on Cards. From here, click on New Card. Now, click on Nickname. From here, you can see some of the popular cards you can create. Just click on the one you want and then click on Save. After that, click on Monthly Limit. Now, set the limit that you want. Now, click on Create Card. I'm not going to do that because I already have a card. After your card is created, you need to add your personal card to fund the virtual card that you just created. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.